Okay, after directive view the impact of KD and KP on the system response. Right now we will analyze it theoretically for KP and KD, for the impact of KP and KD on the system response. We can see for this PID controller here, these are the formulas or representations of KP and KD and KI, which are affected by omega 0, zeta, and P0, and also K and tau, which we measured in our previous experiments. So right now, given zeta equal to 0.6, omega 0 as 25, and P0 as 0, we can calculate out the Kp, Kd, and Ki we want, and also the peak percentage overshoot and peak time, these two expected values with these two formulas in QNet's practical control guide. So this is what we need to calculate out with these given values, and then we input the Kp, Kd, and Ki we calculate out to the models. So these are the Kp, and I input these values into the control model, and this is the result I get. Now we need to check if the measured percentage overshoot and peak time is the same or almost the same as what we calculated out. So we can see the peak time, the T0 from here is this point. We measure it, we read its value, and the T peak is at this point, and we read its value. And also its amplitude, we read Y peak and Y0. Then we can get our percentage overshoot as 10% and peak time as 0.175, which are almost the same as what we calculated. And also we want to evaluate what if we increase this zeta and omega 0. We want to evaluate their impact on the system response. So we have to use these three formulas to analyze it. If we keep PO as 0, that means Ki will always be 0. Neither omega 0 or zeta will affect it. If we increase zeta, we can see Kp will stay the same because zeta will multiply with P0, which is 0, to affect Kp. So Kp will stay the same if we increase zeta, and Kd will increase linearly if we increase zeta. When we increase omega 0, we can see Kp will increase quadratically and KD will still increase linearly. And that's the impact of increasing zeta and omega 0 on Kp and Kd and Ki. And we already discussed the impact of increasing Kp, Kd, Kp and Kd on the system response, which is the gain. And we will so we will consider the impact of omega 0 and zeta on Kp and Kd, and then from that we discuss their impact on the system response. And that will lead to all of you to you guys to do it. And that's it for the PID control without disturbance. And then we will discuss it if we introduce disturbance.